I'm gonna make a quick video on how to create these little stamps. You have some beautiful butterflies. I have some die cuts and I'd like to create stamps out of them. You can also just hand cut flowers, hearts or whatnot out of foam. I prefer to actually buy a sticky back foam that has the glue already on it. That way when I run it through my die cut machine, all I need to do is just peel the back and stick it on the surface like I did with these, and they can be lifted up and put back on. Same thing with this one. I did glue this one didn't have the sticky back, so I just used the glue stick to glue that on. On this heart right here I used Elmer's glue, but I don't like how you can see the Elmer's glue a little bit on the sides, and one of these already fell off. I might have not put enough glue, but my best bet is to have the sticky foam already having the glue on it and not have to worry about gluing anything, and it actually holds on the best. So I'll show you how to create them. First, you can just get a heart that you already have, or whatever shape. There's circles that we already have. They're sold pre-cut, and you can arrange them on your pad here in many ways, and you can create many variations of different stamps. And that's how I made this one, and I just put some glue on there and stuck it on, and it comes off when you need it to, and then you can stick it back on. To store them, I just put them on here. It's paper for stickers, and this is the butterfly we used in the previous tutorial, and I'll show you how to create that same stamp right now. So since I'm not going to be using this butterfly, I'm going to pick it up and put it on my paper here. I'll now create one of these from scratch so you guys can see it. I will take my butterfly, put it on the foam sheet, and I'm going to go run it through my Sizzix machine. Here it is. Gonna lift it up, the die back before I lose it, and here's the beautiful butterfly. And since I have the sticky back foam, I can peel this paper right off and put it right on my base for the stamp. Beautiful. Now I'm going to get a piece of paper, ink my butterfly. Any ink will do. I love this color. Alright. And if you got some excess ink on the pad, not a big deal. Just take a little tissue and wipe it off. Just make sure it doesn't touch the paper. And now we can stamp it. That's your handmade stamp out of sticky back foam. And I like the ghost images, the second and third generation, and put them off to the side. Makes a nice little print. But here you go, your own handmade stamp. What I like about these stamps is that they don't give you a clear image, they give you this kind of distressed image, and I think that's really cute because it's got its own personality. These I've done with this little heart here. It's this green little heart that was glued onto here. can take my Distress Oxide or any other ink, ink it up, and let's say I put it right here. They come out very pretty. Ink it even more. There you go. So you can obviously, and see how I didn't wipe off the side. Make sure you do that so you don't leave the marks. Here's this little flower, and I really like how it leaves some white space. It makes it look really aged, distressed. That's really pretty. So I hope you have fun making your own stamps out of foam.